does. Wow. Good bird.
It definitely looks like it's sucking everything to the sides.
Yeah, I believe that's a tornado right there. Oh, wow.
Does that look like it's still on fire over there?
There's still
That
some
looks
stuff
like
coming
smoke,
up.
like it's coming up.
I think lightning popped something right over there and caught some on fire.
Ooh, that one's coming together, y'all. Look.
That's the tornado right there. Check that out. That's on the ground. That's the tornado, guys, on the ground. Tornado on the ground in Tuscaloosa. Hey, look at that! Hey, look at that one! Look on the right there. You see the cloud? Woo-hoo! That's the tornado right there, guys. We're looking at the tornado right now. It's on the ground. Look at that thing boiling. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. That's the tornado right there. Holy mackerel. There ain't no doubt. Look at that thing. Whoa, look at that. That thing is huge. That's the tornado right there. Holy moly, look at that tornado. This thing is massive. Oh, it's getting windy out here. We're by Townsend Ford in Tuscaloosa looking at the tornado right now. Oh, the wind is picking up heavy. Oh my gosh. This is it. This is it. Oh Lord Jesus, just please protect people. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Wind's crazy. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. There's all kinds of debris. Looks like another tornado is trying to form. Oh Lord, just protect me. Right now, and there's no telling what is being torn up. There's no telling. There's debris. We can see tons of debris on both sides of the tornado. Lots of debris flying right now. It looks like it's over Lowe's, maybe, on 69 South and Skyline Boulevard. It's moving straight towards University of Alabama campus, looks like. Wow, I've never seen anything like this in my life. This is wild. Oh Lord, just protect people. Lord Jesus, protect people. Lord Jesus, protect people. Lord Jesus, I gotta get off and call some people.